The Thirsty Crow. One hot day, a very thirsty crow was flying around, looking for water. After flying for a long time, he spotted a pot of water. There was very little water in the pot. He tried to put his beak inside but couldn't reach the water. He had an idea. He saw many pebbles on the ground. He picked up pebbles one by one and started dropping them in the pot. As more pebbles were dropped in, the water slowly rose towards the mouth of the pot. The crow drank the water and quenched his thirst. After drinking the water, he flew away happily to his home. Moral of the story: where there is a will, there is a way.